Good morning, and I'm Sumuki, and I'm here to speak about impact of COVID-19 on future of retail business in India. So firstly, let's learn the meaning of retail business. What is retail business? Retail refers to selling of goods or services directly to the consumers or end users. Examples of retail businesses are departmental stores, supermarkets, etc. Now let's learn the impacts of COVID-19 on the retail businesses. So as physical stores were closed due to lockdown, the consumers were forced to stay at home and millions of retailers were unable to do their jobs from home. Another impact is more dependence on online shopping. Though retail is hugely a consumer-centric business and industry, the consumers are very demanding and they expect personalized services. But due to COVID-19, they avoid the risk of stepping outside their home and they prefer more of online shopping. This definitely affects the retailers and they face major drawbacks as it affects the profit rates of the business and the consumers give more preference to online shopping. Another difficulty is e-money difficulty. Due to COVID-19, generally majority of the consumers avoid exchanging notes to avoid the risk of COVID-19. So they prefer more of online payments and online banking such as Google Pay, Paytm, etc. But it is difficult for those retailers who hasn't adapted to the new change, or it is also difficult for those retailers who do not know to use the online payment method. Shutdown of retail shops due to lockdown. To avoid the spread of COVID-19, the Indian Prime Minister announced various lockdowns to avoid the risk. So, the business outlets were closed and they did not make profits for those number of days, but they had to pay labor costs and rent, and it also affected the loss in the business for the stock that remained to be unsold. Bidding a goodbye to China products. As it's becoming a major rule to stop using China products or to use those products which has tags made in China, it is also a loss to the retailers as they had already had the stock in their business. So this stock will remain to be unsold and this remains to be a loss. Examples to show the impact of COVID-19 on retail business, such as medical stores, there has been an increase in the rate of profits because people usually prefer buying more sanitizers, etc. and disinfectants like Dettol, etc. And grocery stores, there has been an increase in the rate of profits because people usually buy in surplus to avoid situations like lockdowns, etc. And bags and suitcase businesses is definitely affecting a loss because people do not travel at such situations, so they do not prefer to buy bags or suitcases. Travel and tourism is also affected for the same reason. More examples, ceremonial halls, memorial halls have been shut down because they are not allowed to perform various functions in such halls as there is a lot of gathering of people. And theatres and malls, to the same reason that to avoid the risk of COVID-19, people do not prefer to go to theatres or malls and they prefer staying home. Transportation. COVID-19 has definitely made a negative impact on this sector as railways and airways were banned for a few days. Street stall vendors. To avoid the risk of COVID-19, people do not prefer to eat from street stalls, so they face a loss, and even children do not buy street stall foods, and even those street stall retailers who sell their snacks and food in front of schools and colleges face a loss as schools and colleges have been shut down due to COVID-19. Conclusion. We see a lot of changes taking place in retail business sector due to COVID-19, which has both positive and negative aspects. But here we see a lot of negative aspects compared to the positive aspects. Due to this, the economy goes down and the global income also reduces. Many retailers face hunger, starvation, etc. and they face a lot of losses in their business. COVID-19 has surely made an impact on future business in such ways. Thank you.